The Industrial Revolution moved us from an agrarian and handicraft economy to our modern society dominated by industry and machine manufacturing. Today, we rely on efficient equipment to produce the things we need and to keep us healthy. These are used in manufacturing plants, factory automation, and continuous emission monitoring systems. As our industrial equipment and processes continue to evolve, higher efficiency, greater reliability, and lower costs become even more critical to the future. That's where Fuji Electric comes in. For a century, we've moved the industry forward with a variety of specialized equipment optimized to help manufacturing progress to the next level. Trusted by major OEMs for their pressure and vacuum capabilities, our ring compressors and turbo blowers are renowned for their performance, quality, and long-lasting reliability. Our solutions can meet pressures up to 240 inches of water and vacuum levels of 85 inches of water. Our turbo blowers provide airflow up to 5,850 SCFM and pressure to 30 inches of water. From driving conveyor belts to driving robotics, controlling speed, flow, pressure, and torque is essential. Our Frenic Mini, Frenic Ace, and Frenic Mega AC drives combine versatility and industry-leading reliability with performance and energy efficiency to offer this level of control in all industrial processes related to movement. Across the world, there is a strong demand for energy savings, miniaturization, efficiency, cost savings, and increased reliability in industrial equipment and renewable energy systems. As a global leader in power semiconductors, we have answered these demands with the development of our 7th generation X Series IGBT module technology, a compact design that provides for greater power output. We also offer a range of pressure transmitters, flow meters for fluid, air, and steam, temperature controllers, and gas analyzers. These instrumentation solutions allow precise process measurement and control, which is critical for manufacturing and automation. Power is also critical to industrial applications. Our relays, circuit breakers, and other distribution and control devices are engineered for exceptional longevity and minimal maintenance, which leads to lower total cost of ownership. Our uninterruptible power supply systems provide manufacturing facilities with flexibility and efficiency as high as 97.5%. They offer low cost of maintenance, can communicate failures, and have been proven to be reliable with an industry-leading 3-year warranty. And to tie it all together, for monitoring and operating these systems, we provide HMI displays that include remote monitoring capabilities and connectivity to popular PLCs. Our solutions are truly enablers of industrial equipment,